Welcome to Dubai, a city of dreams, luxury and breathtaking marvels. From towering skyscrapers that pierce the clouds to golden desert dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see, Dubai is a paradise for travelers seeking adventure, culture and extravagance. It is a city that seems to rise from the desert sands, a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Join us, if you will, as we embark on a remarkable journey exploring the most amazing places in Dubai, all captured in stunning 4K resolution. Our adventure begins at the crown jewel of Dubai, the Burj Khalifa. Reaching a staggering height of 828 meters, this architectural masterpiece reigns supreme as the tallest building in the world. Its sleek, spire-like design seems to defy gravity, piercing the heavens and dominating the Dubai skyline. Visitors from all corners of the globe are drawn to this modern marvel, eager to experience the thrill of ascending to its observation decks. On a clear day, one can see for miles in every direction, the sprawling city below resembling a meticulously crafted miniature model. In the evening, as the sun begins its descent, the view from the Burj Khalifa transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of color and light. No journey to Dubai is complete without a visit to the Dubai Mall, a sprawling retail paradise that is much more than just a shopping center. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer scale and grandeur of this iconic destination. With over 1,200 stores showcasing the world's most coveted brands, the Dubai Mall is a shopper's utopia. But it's not just about the shopping. The mall is home to a myriad of attractions that cater to all ages and interests. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, home to thousands of aquatic creatures including sharks, rays, and colorful fish. Dubai is renowned for its ambition and audacity, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And perhaps nowhere is this more evident than in the creation of Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island that has become an iconic symbol of Dubai's grandeur. From the air, this engineering marvel resembles a stylized palm tree, its fronds stretching out into the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf. This extraordinary island is home to a collection of the world's most luxurious resorts and residences, each offering unparalleled opulence and breathtaking views. As our journey continues, we arrive at the epitome of luxury and extravagance, the Burj Al Arab. Instantly recognizable by its distinctive sail-shaped silhouette, the Burj Al Arab has become a global icon of opulence and unparalleled service. Situated on its own private island, this architectural masterpiece rises dramatically from the Arabian Gulf, its shimmering facade reflecting the azure waters that surround it. Inside, guests are treated to a world of unrivaled splendor, with opulent suites, award-winning restaurants, and a level of personalized service that is second to none. While Dubai is renowned for its modern skyscrapers and luxurious attractions, a journey through this captivating city would be incomplete without delving into its rich history and cultural heritage. Step back in time as we venture into the heart of old Dubai, where the city's fascinating past unfolds before our eyes. Here, amidst the bustling souks and traditional opera boats, we discover a different side to Dubai, one that speaks of ancient traditions and a bygone era. The aroma of spices fills the air as we wander through the labyrinthine alleys of the spice souk, where merchants have traded for centuries. No trip to Dubai is complete without venturing beyond the city limits and into the vast expanse of the Arabian desert. Prepare for an exhilarating adventure as we embark on a desert safari, an experience that will leave you breathless. As we leave the city behind, the landscape transforms dramatically, the towering skyscrapers giving way to endless stretches of golden sand dunes that seem to ripple in the heat haze. Our experienced drivers navigate this ever-changing terrain with ease, their 4x4 vehicles expertly gliding over the dunes, providing an exhilarating roller coaster-like ride. Prepare to be captivated by the vibrant energy and cosmopolitan charm of Dubai Marina, a waterfront destination that seamlessly blends luxury living with world-class leisure and entertainment. As we stroll along the bustling promenade, the towering skyscrapers of Dubai Marina create an impressive backdrop, their shimmering facades reflecting the azure waters of the marina. This is a place where the rich and famous come to play, their luxury yachts moored alongside sleek speedboats, creating a spectacle of wealth and extravagance. Prepare to be amazed as we step into a world of floral fantasy at the Dubai Miracle Garden, a testament to human creativity and the beauty of nature. Home to over 150 million flowers arranged in breathtaking displays, this extraordinary garden is a feast for the senses. As we wander through the garden's themed pathways, we are greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors and scents. Towering floral structures, whimsical characters, and intricate patterns created entirely from flowers capture the imagination and transport us to a world of wonder. Dubai has always been a city that embraces innovation and looks towards the future. And nowhere is this forward-thinking ethos more evident than at the Museum of the Future, an architectural marvel and a beacon of ingenuity. Its distinctive torus-shaped structure adorned with Arabic calligraphy has become an iconic landmark on the Dubai skyline. The Museum of the Future is not just a museum in the traditional sense, it is an immersive experience that challenges our perceptions of the world and invites us to imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. No journey to Dubai would be complete without savoring the city's diverse culinary offerings. From traditional Emirati cuisine to Michelin-starred restaurants, Dubai's food scene is a melting pot of flavors and influences that will tantalize your taste buds. For a taste of authentic Emirati cuisine, we venture into the heart of Old Dubai, where family-run restaurants have been serving up traditional dishes for generations. Here, we sample dishes such as al-hariz, a slow-cooked wheat porridge with tender meat, and makbuz, a fragrant rice dish with spices and meat or fish. From sky-high wonders to cultural gems and desert adventures, Dubai is a city of limitless possibilities. It is a place where ancient traditions meet futuristic aspirations, where the desert's tranquility contrasts with the city's vibrant energy. Whether you're a thrill-seeker drawn to adrenaline-pumping activities, a luxury traveler seeking opulence and indulgence, or a history lover eager to delve into the past, Dubai has something special for you. Pack your bags, open your mind, and let the wonders of Dubai amaze you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning travel videos.